Namaskaram and Swagatam, dear friends, to learn Malayalam through English. I know it's been a long time since I've made a video. I delivered my first baby and I was recovering from it. It's been 2 months now, and I'm back. And I hope you'll understand that. So in this video, we will discuss about conjunctions and the conjunction and in English and how it is used in Malayalam. So let's get started. A conjunction is a part of speech that joins two words, phrases, or clauses together. So as you know, a conjunction, it is used to join two sentences basically. There are different types of conjunctions, and in this one we are going to start with the coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions, for example, are and or but, and in this video we'll discuss about and how and is used in Malayalam. So let's see that. And is represented by joining the word with the joining words. So let's see the examples. അവൻ ക്രിക്കറ്റും ഫുട്ബോളും കളിക്കും. He plays cricket and football. So and comes in between cricket and football. So we add to both the words. ക്രിക്കറ്റും ഫുട്ബോളും കളിക്കും. സച്ചിനും ഞാനും ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ആണ്. സച്ചിനും ഞാനും ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ആണ്. I and Sachin are friends. Actually, it should be like Sachin and I are friends. So both the joining words are I and Sachin, and we should add Sachinum, Nyanum, friends aanu. It's so simple, right? Okay, let's move to another example. അവൾക്ക് മലയാളം എഴുതാനും സംസാരിക്കാനും കഴിയും. It is she can write and speak Malayalam. So write and speak. That are the joining words. It should come like എഴുതാനും സംസാരിക്കാനും കഴിയും. എനിക്ക് ചായയും കാപ്പിയും ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. I like tea and coffee. Why I wrote Malayalam sentences first and then English sentences after that is because when I go through the Malayalam sentences, try to see whether you can understand the meaning without going to the English sentence. Because you have been watching all these videos, you might have learned a lot of words. So just try to do that and see whether you have progressed to that level. Okay. I love dad and mom equally. എനിക്ക് അച്ഛനെയും അമ്മയെയും ഒരേപോലെ ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. So one thing I have to mention here is, here you can see in this example, എനിക്ക് ചായയും കാപ്പിയും. In the second example here, എനിക്ക് ചായയും കാപ്പിയും ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. So here it came like ചായയും കാപ്പിയും instead of ചായയും കാപ്പിയും. It just changes according to the words that we are joining with the sound So it converts, it changes to chayayum and kapiyum. So there are some exceptions like that. If you just add like kapi chaya it is not right. I just want to mention that if we go to discuss how it is formed, it will become too complicated, but just understand that the sound yum and comes when you do and in Malayalam. So in this third example also, എനിക്ക് അച്ഛനെയും അമ്മയെയും ഒരുപോലെ ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. Okay. ഓണവും വിഷുവും കേരളത്തിന്റെ ആഘോഷങ്ങളാണ്. ഓണം and Vishu are festivals of Kerala. So here you can see another kind of expression like Onavum, Vishuvum instead of Onayum, Vishuyum, or Onaum, Vishuum. It just depends on how it comes out when this word, the root word Onam plus gives. So Onam plus is Onavum, Vishu plus is Vishuvum. I just wanted to mention it can be yum, or vum according to the words that are combined. ആമയും മുയലും പന്തയം നടത്തി. Tortoise and hare did a race. എല്ലാവർക്കും സന്തോഷവും സമൃദ്ധിയും നിറഞ്ഞ പുതുവർഷം നേരുന്നു. എല്ലാവർക്കും സന്തോഷവും സമൃദ്ധിയും നിറഞ്ഞ പുതുവർഷം നേരുന്നു. വിഷ് യു ഓൾ എ ഹാപ്പി ആൻഡ് പ്രോസ്പെറസ് ന്യൂ ഇയർ. ഹാപ്പി ആൻഡ് പ്രോസ്പെറസ്, സന്തോഷവും സമൃദ്ധിയും നിറഞ്ഞ പുതുവർഷം നേരുന്നു. That was an example, and that was also me wishing you all a happy new year, and thank you all for being so patient and waiting for my video. Hope you all have a happy new year there. Thanks for watching. Nandi namaskaram.